Do you always want to be on top of your bathtub, cleaning your soap scum in a very simple way without wasting time, and always keep your bathroom smelling fresh? Well, let me show you in this video with my DIY cleaning solution that I've been using all the time, and it helps me save me so much time without worry. And let me show you in this video. Let's dive right in, showing you how you can clean your bathtub soap scum easy. So this is my DIY solution. If you want to know how I mix this, watch the other video. I show you how to mix the Dawn soap, the Pine Sol, Lemon Fresh, how to mix this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to wet the bathtub, just wet. After wetting, I'm just going to spray. You can see this is my spray. You just spray. And I'll spray here as well. So it's been 5 minutes. I'm going to wet my brush. And I'm going to stop so the water doesn't flow out. And then we just start scrubbing. See that? Make sure you wear your gloves, your glasses to protect your eye from any splat. How easy it is, how the filth is coming out right up. And just like that, within 3 minutes, you already clean everything out. Everything is clean. Perfect. A little more water. Then we clean the soap holder. See all that filth there? It's gone. That is gone. Now for my faucet, I just wet a sponge and then just clean them off. Look at how bright this is. And we just do finished touches. Look at how bright these are. And we are done. I'm just going to rinse. See how bright it's looking already. And then after you finish everything, look at how clean our bathtub is looking. See, it's all clean. And what I'm going to do now is just wash my stuff, my brush, everything is clean. I'm just going to use my microfiber towel and wipe down everything. Now you can see our clean bathtub. Now you can see how clean our bathtub is. And it used to be stained all over here from water drops. But the stain soap Scum, it's all clean. And the sides are all clean. And remember to just use 1 or 2 sprays and wipe the outside of your bathtub. Give it a shine, clean, smelling bathroom, fresh smelling. And then after this, wiping it down, take so much stain out of here. So you don't have any stain outside of your bathtub. I'm just going to rinse these out. And then just wipe this over this again to take any soap we might have on here. Now this is clean. Look at how shiny looking it is. Oh wow, the bathroom is smelling so fresh. So I just showed you how you can clean your bathtub soap Scum in a very simple way using my DIY cleaning solution. If you want to see how I mix those solution, please watch that video and it gives you step by step how to mix your pine salt and Dawn Ultra dishwashing liquid soap to clean your bathtub. This solution can be used to clean your kitchen counter, it can be used to clean your kitchen sink, it can be used to clean kitchen faucet, bathroom faucet, bathtub. It can be used to clean your toilet bowl. Yes. You can use it to clean it and it works so amazingly. So watch that video to see how I mix this cleaning solution. I hope this video has been a little helpful. Please leave any comments in the comment section below for me. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel, and also if you need any help, please reach out. To learn more, I have a lot of cleaning content on my website. Please, you can head over there to see what I have going on there. And thank you very much for watching my videos, and I will see you on that video. And what that video is about is how to mix my DIY cleaning solution. And take care. Bye bye.